So I'm on this Jeep and it has a burnt up, locked up compressor. And this actually happens to be the owner of the shop's daughter's car. And as I look at this, it looks like somebody did a front timing cover. I see some work where it looks like a long block was almost put on here. The long block, the block is clean. There's almost barely any dust on it or anything. You can see how clean this is, and you can see how dirty the alternator, the compressor, some certain matching components are all dirty, old and dusty, but the block itself is clean. So somebody threw either a junkyard engine here or a long block in here. Oh, I see a Mopar sticker there. Yeah, this had work done on it. But they recharged and it burnt up the compressor afterwards. And I want to find out the rest of the story. But I did find out this part of the story because I use a refrigerant analyzer. And I was wondering why this compressor burned up. Because compressors don't burn up, they're murdered. 7.7% air mixed in with 134 refrigerant. Yeah, they got 134 refrigerant, or not 134, I'm sorry guys, 1234 YF refrigerant and 7.7% air. And we got a burnt up compressor. And so this is where you're the Sherlock Holmes and you do your detective work and say, who's at fault here? Who caused this compressor to burn up? And so I'm gonna look more into it. I'm going to, I think I go around, do a leak test and measure the quantity of refrigerant comes out. And then have him go back and tell me who put in that engine, who charged this up, so we can find the guilty party who caused this burn up. See you guys later. That's why you own one of these. Cover your ass and let your customer know what kind of person was working on their vehicle. All right, see ya.